Hey y'all, good morning. It's Monday, actually Labor Day. We're gonna work today and take off this coming Friday because deer bow season opens Saturday morning. So we're gonna go down there Thursday afternoon and hunt. So we figured we'd work today and just take Friday off so we have a longer weekend. This is gonna be a little bit more different of a video. This is my 06 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4-wheel drive. In one of my other videos that my hub is bad. A hub assembly bearing in here is bad on the driver's side. So I was kind of just going to show a how to change it. I mean, I know a lot of people have done it, but I was going to be changing it anyway, so I thought, why not show y'all? Let me get set up and I'll show you the steps by step. Well, the first thing you want to do is get your tire and wheel off. Mine's got this cover right here that's held on by these Allen heads, screws. You gotta get them off. Mine has this lock and lug nut, so you gotta have this key, I guess you call it, which I'm sure several of y'all will have that. So all you do is just take the wheel off. Okay, your next step is remove your caliper, which is going to be these bolts right here, there, and there. Your two caliper bolts are 17 millimeters. I've got Loctite on them so they ain't going to break loose with the gun. Now that you get the caliper loosened, one of these trucks is pretty simple. It's got the quad piston on it, but you just press back on one like that, it'll come right down easily. For most people, you won't have to do this step, but I've got spider track inch and a quarter wheel spacers, so you'll have to spin them off. If you do have these, make sure you always put Loctite back on them. I don't recommend any wheel spacers unless they're a name brand like Spider Tracks or something like that are hub symmetric and you don't have to worry about them breaking. I've off-roaded with these. I've actually did a small jump with this truck and never had a problem out of them. That's simple. That. Rotor. Then the next thing to remove is a little cap here. Something that simple. Then you're going to want to remove your harder pin. CV axle nut. This one, you know, different CV axle manufacturers have different sizes of nuts, but generally they're going to be the same size, and this one's a 35 millimeter. Break that loose. Pretty simple. And then you're going to want to remove your 4 bolts here. 2 on each side, and that's what holds this entire assembly to your knuckle. Once you undo them, generally you can just sit here and tap it on both sides and it'll work itself out. And just like that, it's out. As you can see on the new one, everything's nice and clean. Spins easy, you know, except for the bolts are hung there, but I'm saying this moves freely. Look at this one. All the play, the grease everywhere. All the grease in here. See, that's actually part of it. Just stuck everywhere. So now all you do is just follow your steps. All you do is follow the steps in reverse. Put everything right back together the same way you took it apart, and just make sure you use Loctite on everything. It's easier to take a few extra minutes to put Loctite on something than be out on the trail or going down the interstate and the bolt work loose, and then there you are, either stuck on the side of the road, or, you know, worst case scenario, it makes you wreck. So we're stuck in a trail out in the middle of nowhere. So I always recommend put Loctite on everything. And yeah, and again, this is good for an 05 through 2015 Tacoma. I'm pretty sure your FJs are the same as long as they're four-wheel drive. But yeah, that simple. All right, we'll catch y'all next time.